Today we'll talk about how can you select, who can see your music on your OK app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next pair. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on privacy, then it's going to take you to next pair. Then all you have to do, just click here on my music. So then it's going to take you, when you click on my music, it's going to take it to show for you a list like this. Then here can you select here who can see your music. Then you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.